In this video, we're going to walk through how to add a form design to a landing page. From the Forms dashboard, you can either hover over to the left side navigation and select Forms, Manage Forms, or you can simply click this shortcut link on the dashboard to manage forms. When you see your list of forms appear, hover over to the last column on the right side of the screen and click the three dots. From there, select Form Links and Embed Codes from the drop-down options. You'll see a modal pop up which lists the different designs for the selected form, as well as a button labeled Get Embed Code. This is what you will need to be able to add your form with a custom design to one of your website landing pages. Click the Get Embed Code button and copy the iframe code that is provided. From there, embed the iframe code into the page within your current CMS and your form should appear. So that's it! You've just had a quick walkthrough of how to add a form design to a landing page. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up, and if you found the video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when a new video drops. Thanks again, we'll see you next time.